This is Muvumba perimeter, one of the largest marshland in the eastern part of Rwanda, with 1,750 hectares, which is equivalent to 50% of the total marshland area in Rwanda. It is located around 158 kilometers from Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda. The marshland is potentially known for a fertile soil which attracts hundreds of local rice farmers who are grouped into Muvumba Rice Growers Cooperative with around 1,085 members. However, rice farming in some parts of the marshland has been hampered by its soil salinity, which requires intensive and proper management for better yield. Olive Tuyishime took a bold step forward to address this issue. She is a University of Rwanda lecturer and PhD student at Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences in Sweden. She is supported by UR Sweden program. Her research seeks to evaluate different irrigation and drainage strategies intended to manage soil salinity and nitrogen losses in rice production in the Muvumba irrigation scheme.
My research is about salinity management and nitrogen losses in rice production. In this part of this marshland, we are in Muvumba P8. This part was not being used by the farmers due to salinity. So the aim of this research was to find strategies of managing the salt and nitrogen losses. And we have been doing this for 5 seasons. This is the 5th season, and we can see there is an improvement. We are using different drain types, deep drain of 60, 120, and we have 120 which is controlled. So at this stage we are doing the last experiment about greenhouse gases measurement. So the first season were dedicated on salinity management, and now we are on the last stage of our research where we are measuring greenhouse emitted from rice fields. This is a weather station, so then it's closed like this. Then when I come, I just open, and it helps us to know different climatic data that we need for our experiment. Like rainfall, this is a rain gauge. This one is just showing the wind speed, and this is the wind direction. So then the wind is, and so when you want to read, you just come here and you display, and you can see different data that is recorded. Like the rainfall today, there was no rainfall, but since reset we can see the number, it's 43 millimeters, and you have the wind direction. You can see the air temperature, now it's 78.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can also see the high values. We got 78 at 10:22, and low it was at 5. And we can also have the air relative humidity, which is 37.2%. Dew point, so it's just different parameters that you can read from this. And we do this every day. Every evening we come here and we record different data that it has recorded. And you can also get the evapotranspiration per day.
Mu by'ukuri icyo kibazo cy'umunyu kirahari.
In actual fact, the issue of soil salinity has been observed a long time ago. At least 10 hectares of this marshland might be affected, which is a huge blow for rice growers.
Ikibazo cy'umunyu, bityo kuba ubwo buso bwarangijwe n'umunyu, ntabwo abahinzi babasha kubuhinga neza.
Ibyo koko hano muri iki gishanga cy'umuvumba ni igishanga cyateganijwe guhinga
rice. However, there has been in some zones a slowdown in yield production due to salinity issues. It is the same scenario in this area where we are conducting the research.
nako kagaragaye icyo kibazo cy'umunyu.
Okay, this is a chamber, and I use it to measure the gases, as I told you. And this is the pump. So what I do, I had these ones. These are extension because the rice is high. So I had to put these extensions. So, but initially there is a link. I don't know if you can see it. It was put during the planting time. But as the rice grow high, so I have to put extension. Now I am using 2 extension for this rice. Then finally I bring my chamber here. So then I just do like this, and so now I have my rice here inside, and I'm going to measure the gas emitted from this chamber. So what I do, I have these vials, and for each plot I have 4 of them. So then these are the 4 vials for this plot. So what I do, I just bring this pump, and then I connect both the pump and so I connect. For 2 seconds. Okay, so now I switch off the pump, and then I disconnect the vials and the pump, and then what I will move with is the pump. So I will leave the chambers here. So then now I'm moving to the next plot.
Before, there was a lot of consequences over soil salinity, but currently there is an improvement with this research by Olive. In the beginning, rice could wilt while growing and we couldn't reap anything, but now I can see rice is in good condition and the soil has become more fertile.